Cooking your disability case. I know people look at me when I'm crazy when I tell them and say, okay, do you cook? And they're like, why does it matter? Social Security looks at your daily activities because they don't look at, and this is the thing, they don't care if you eat a McMuffin or some ravioli or SpaghettiOs. They're not looking at it from what you eat. They're looking at it from the activity of cooking itself. Okay, so you have to think about it like this. Let's say, and I've said this to some of my clients, like, I have a few clients who are like, I had this guy represented. He took pride in the fact that he could burn, baby, when it came to being in the kitchen. I asked him, can he cook the same way that he used to prior to his disability? He's like, well, no. I'm like, well, what do you mean by well, no? What does that mean? He said, well, what it means is that, he took pride in the fact that he could make elaborate dishes. Now he has to show his nieces and nephews how to cook those things, and he sits in the kitchen because he can't stand up for long periods of time. His back hurts and his memory's not the best of the world, so sometimes he has a tendency to forget things on the stove. So he'll tell them what to do, and he'll go lay on the couch, and when they need him, they'll come and they'll ask him questions and so forth. So I'm like, so you don't cook like the way you used to because of all the things you just said? Yeah, those things are important because they're looking at it that you just said. You can't bend very much. You can't stay on your feet very long. You can't reach up for the various herbs that you need very more. That's important. You said by your own admission that because of your memory issue, you tend to forget about things and so forth. That's important. Social Security is not focusing on what your gourmet and what your dietary habits are, unless we're talking about for certain types of conditions. They want to know the activity of cooking itself. How do you accommodate that? Because that is the thing that's most important to them.